Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you this old laptop. The name is Toshiba T2130 CT. It's made it in 1995, and I buy this laptop from a guy, and I didn't start it. Uh, I didn't push the power button to see if it's working or not. So first let's open and see what we have inside. So let's go. First let's show you the edges of the laptop. Here we have the floppy disk. uh, how is look? I think it's broken, but I will try to repair. Unfortunately I don't have any floppy disk, so I cannot show you if it's working or not, but we will see. On the back we have the keyboard port, the monitor port, the power source, and I think this one is for printer. On the other edge we have the power button. We have a slot for cards, different cards, different size. In the front we have the reset button, and we have the LED for power and for battery. So this is the laptop. It's Toshiba T2130 CT. So it's made it in Japan and assembled in Germany. Exactly what I tell you is made it in 1995. I searched on internet this model. So let's open and see what is inside. So I open the first lid, and here we can find the memory, RAM. It's 4 megabytes memory RAM, how you can see. This is a very old memory. And let's continue. So what I can see, this laptop was already open before, so somebody look inside and open this one, and let's see what we can find. So we open the first lid, where we can find the buttons for joystick and the battery. Oh my god, this battery is very dirty. We must clean it. and that's not good. And I finally opened the keyboard that is not in very good condition. Actually, I think it's working, but it doesn't look very well. So this is the keyboard. Look behind, is very dirty. I think something is not good inside. Yeah, so let's continue. So we take out, if we can, this part, this plastic, yeah, and here so here we have the hard drive. So the hard drive, it's a Toshiba hard drive with 527 megabytes. That's weird. I never see one of these before with this storage, but this is it. So let's continue. So yeah, finally I succeed to open the laptop to see what is inside. So let's take out all the wires, all the ports, and let's see what we have on motherboard. So we take out the screen and surprising. This is the power supply here, as you can see. Let's open also this one. Let's take it out. So there is another screw here. Alright, and as you can see, wait a second. Oh, there is another screw here. Okay, and now let's take it out to see what we have here. There's the port, there's the wires for power supply. So there are the power, this is the power supply here. I cannot take it out because I must take out this port, and it's stick with glue. That's interesting. I never see a power supply like this one, but we just see now. And this is the motherboard here. I'm just wondering where is the CPU, and it seems that it doesn't have any cooler or fans. That's weird. I see here a microchip. It's a Toshiba MV10 CNT. I think this one is the CPU. I don't know the size, but let's take out the floppy disk and see if we can repair something or not, probably, because it's very old and it looks like that it's broken. So let's take out this screw and let's take out the floppy disk. What do you say? I see the lid from inside is broken, and I don't think I can do something for it. It must be open, but let's try to see if we can fix this one. So here we are inside of the floppy disk, and this lid, it's broken, but let's take it out and see what we can do. It's bent because I think it's for a long time here inside. This one, it's bent and it's remaining like that, as you can see. So I will try to put it back, but I'm afraid that I will break it, and I don't want this one. So I think it looks much better now. And let's put it together. It's much better now. And let's put it back. I think now it's looking much better. So let's put the screws back. Okay, I put all the screws back, but I will not put the floppy inside because this laptop needs a good cleaning. So let's start for cleaning. let's see what we can do. Actually, let's take out also the motherboard, and so in that way we can clean properly. So let's try to take it out. So yeah, oh, this is the motherboard. I think this one is a processor. Yeah, what? It's an Intel. So here is the processor. It's an Intel DX4. But doesn't say what is the size. Okay, so now let's clean the rest of the computer. As you can see, this case is very dirty. So welcome back. After I give to this laptop a good cleaning, the best I can do. It's very old and it's I can see the ages the time that on this laptop. So now let's put it together and see if it's working. Let's start with the motherboard. There are the batteries. Let's see. So that's it. Let's try to clean a little bit outside. And it looks much different now, a little bit better. So let's open, let's plug in. Doesn't have a charger, so it's a wire with a port like you know, the old stereos. So we can plug in here. And now let's see if it's starting. Wow. Something on the screen? Yeah, it's alive. If you can see, or you can see here much better. Oh, starting MS-DOS. And oh my god, this laptop have a Microsoft Windows 3.1. Oh, that's a very old one. A very old laptop. And oh, joystick. It's working. Let's see. What do you have here? Let's see. We have games. Let's see what we can do with games. Minesweeper. Ah, you know this game? I used to play when I was much younger. So for some of you, you know how to play this game. For the youngest one, I don't think they know. It's weird with this joystick. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Let's see what else we have here. What we can do with this one, accessories. Oh, just writing. Hello my friends. My. Hello my friends. It seems that it's working well. The keyboard is working well. So let's see what else we found here. Games, startup. Oh, it's nothing here. So on application, MS-DOS editor and MS-DOS prompt. Give me an error. MS-DOS editor doesn't work. So MS-DOS prompt. It's just MS-DOS. For many of you, you know what is this. What you can find here is that it's the Windows director and the DOS director. So Windows, it's from 1st of January 1990. So 31 years is this Windows. Let's go back to the Windows. And what is the last one? We have the main, file manager, control panel, print manager, MS-DOS prompt. Let's go to control panel, color, font, sports, mouse, desktop, keyboard. printers, international drivers, what you can have, MIDI drivers, nothing interesting here. Sounds, we have any sounds on this one? I don't think so. It's not working. So yeah, as you can see, in that time you don't have too many things to do with this kind of laptop. Doesn't have a internet port, and I don't think I can make the internet to work on this laptop. So here on this sticker it's right that is designed for Microsoft Windows 95, but but this laptop doesn't have a USB port or a CD-ROM, only have a floppy disk, and I don't have I don't have disk to put in this floppy disk, so I cannot install Windows 95 on this one. But a 30 years old laptop still working, and it's I think it's okay. I think it's alright, and I will keep it in my collection. So till the next video, see you later, and I will show you another old laptop in the next video. So keep in touch, please subscribe, share and like, and bye bye.